Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on Motorola Moto G84. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. Now click install. And now you can click open. Now you can set your Firefox as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox is fully set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.